children, how are you all? How are you? I'm good. Hope you're all doing good. Are you taking precautions? Precautions means when you're going out, when you're coming inside into your house. Are you putting mask? You're washing your hands, you're washing your legs. Keep doing all those things. Nowadays it is very important to do. Don't neglect, don't take it so easily because outside is not so great and not so good going. Okay, please do this one. Whenever you go out, please keep a mask. Don't eat everything, only home food. Do not touch everything whatever your mama and daddy brings to the house. First you have to clean it, you have to put it for a dry, then 2-3 hours or else 4 to 5 hours we have to keep it outside. Then you have to touch those things and put it in a safe place. Before that, don't touch anything. Be careful. Listen to your parents. Okay? Okay. Yesterday you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed yesterday. It was Father's Day. Did you give the greeting card? You liked it? That's great. Okay, today, what is today? Today is Monday because yesterday it was Sunday. Today is Monday. What today's date is? Today's date is 22-6-2020 and the class is for UKG. UKG, big children. Class UKG and the weather is sunny. The day is Monday. Days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. I've told you many times to break the spelling and read. It is very easy. If you do practice daily, you will get it definitely. S-U-N, sun, D-A-Y, day, Sunday. This day is common for every spelling. Did you see this one? Just compare. Whenever you read, you have to compare with this spelling to that spelling. S-U-N, sun, D-A-Y, day, Sunday. Monday, on, Monday, D-A-Y, day, Monday. Tuesday, T-U-S-E-S, D-A-Y, day, Tuesday. Wednesday, you have to break this spelling. W-E-D, wed, N-E-S, D-A-Y, day, Wednesday. Thursday, T-H, U-R-S, ers, D-A-Y, day, Thursday. Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, day, Friday. And Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Practice well these spellings. You need it because whenever you write the date on the top, you have to write the day name also. So practice well. And the subject is English. The topic is U sound words because we finished A sound words, E sound words, I sound words, O sound words and today is U sound words. We have how many vowels? We have 5. A, E, I, O, U. So today's topic is U sound words. See, I kept some pictures over here. Just identify what was the pictures. It is with U sound words. What is this? What is this picture? It's a bright smiling. What is this? Sun. Sun spelling S-U-N, sun. See how am I writing? In these two blue lines, S-U-N, sun. Underline U because we are doing U sound words. You have to connect a letter to letter. How I did? See, again I'll show you here. S, okay, from here, U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. What is this? This is not a dog. This is a small baby. Dog baby is pup. Pup spelling P-A-P. Pup. P-A-P. Pup. How I am writing? See, from this red line, down line, the fourth line, up, down, P. You have to connect letter to letter. U, P, pup. Underline U. What is this? P-U-P, pup. What is this? P-U-P, pup. P-A This is a ladybug. Did you see this? Bug. Bug spelling B-U-G. Bug. B says B, A says U, G says G. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Have you heard right? Small b from blue line to red line. See the board. B-U-G. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. What is this? This is hut. Hut. H. Which letter sounds? Come on, try. A says A, B says B, like that. H says H. H says H. H. H-A-T. Hut. H-A-T. Hut. U. Underline U. Because this is, we are doing U sound words. Underline U. H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. What is this? Cup of milk, cup of a tea, cup of a coffee. Yes, you're right. This is cup. Cup spelling K-A-P. Cup. K-A-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Okay? Once again. S-U-N. Sun. P-U-P. Pup. B-U-G. Bug. H-U-T. Hut. C-U-P. Cup. You have other spellings also in your textbook. Pull up your textbook. It's a course book for UKG. Pull up. Then open the page number 8. There's a page number 8. You have U sound words. U sound words. What is this? Rug. See? Only UG. The first row is UG. Did you see the spellings? I always say this. You have to compare spelling to spelling. See? First one also there is UG. Second one also UG. Third one is also UG. So how you have to read UG? UG means UG. Rug. Rug. R-ug. Rug. B-ug. Bug. J-ug. Jug. Once again. R-ug. Rug. B-ug. Bug. J-ug. Jug. Next row is U-N-un. 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 And U-N-un. What are the letters? G. G says G. G-un. Gun. G-un. Gun. B-un. Bun. B-un. Bun. S-un. Sun. S-un. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Very good. Next. U-T. Ut. Ut. This is only last two letters. Did you see this last two letters are similar in all the spellings? I mean the third row. The first row similar letters are UG. The second row similar letters are UN. The third row is UT. Ut. What is this? Cut. K-ut. Cut. UT. Ut. K-ut. Cut. N-ut. Nut. N-ut. Nut. H-ut. Hut. H-ut. Hut. U-P. Up. Up. The arrow mark is showing which side? Up side. U-P. Up. K-up. Cup. K-up. Cup. P-up. Pup. P-up. Pup. You practice well these spellings. It is very easy. Okay? I hope you read the spellings. For the evening session, I am going to ask you the spellings. Okay? Ready? Just enjoy reading. Book is the best friend, or every time, all the time, lifetime. Books are all best friends. Keep doing friendship with the books. Because books will not complain. Okay? Let us see some math. Okay, let's see what's there for math today. Oh, you know, EVS, you have too much of syllabus. Oh, there are number names. You write number names. Are you ready for the number names? Okay. I'll just take out these pictures for number names. Pull up your math check rule notebook, number notebook, so that when I'm writing you can copy the spellings. Just give me 2 minutes and pull up all these pictures from the whiteboard. I'm ready. Topic is math. M-A-T-H, math. Topic is number names. You know the numbers, right? You can say the numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that you have to tell 100 numbers. Okay, now number names. How do you have to write number names? I'll draw lines here. Just have a look. Because UKG children, they have to write in cursive handwriting. Don't get scared, but when you do the practice, you will get it. If you don't do practice, you don't get. So do the practice well. Instead of say I don't know, but you have to do the practice. Okay, so this is the first box. You have to touch this line and write O N E 1 T W O 2 T H R E E 3 F O U R 4. See how I'm writing 4. F F I. You have to touch this line and write V E 5 S I X 6 S E V E N 7 E I G H T 8 N I N E 9 T E N 10. So easy. Here I did not connect letter to letter, but when we are writing 3-letter words in English, we are connecting. So get practice that. Even this number name also we have to write like that only. Because next class you have to go for first standard. If you don't practice here, you will face difficulty in first standard. Slowly but do it. Okay? Don't say that I am not getting, I don't know. Don't say all that. Just practice. Keep practice. ONE 1, TWO 2, THRE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVL 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. 1 0 10. Okay, in EVS, just practice well. And now take out EVS. Did you read the spellings of our body? Did you read the spellings? Come on, say it along with me. Our body in EVS, page number 49. What is the first spelling? Head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Neck. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest, C-H-E-S-T, chest. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. A-R-M, arm, A-R-M, arm. Stomach we finished. Elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Children, take out your index finger, pointing finger, put near the spelling and you have to read. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. E-L-L, B-O-W, bow, elbow. Trunk, this is called trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Toes. T-O-E-S, toes. T-O-E-S, toes. Foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. And toes. T-O-E-S, toes. Practice these spellings. Read, see the letter to letter and practice the spellings. Okay? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow again.